This is the Teachers Appreciation Week here in the States. For that reason, I'd like to say a few words for all of our teachers. Some of them, they are funny, they like to make jokes, they like to make us laugh during class. Others, they like to play games like flashcards. Many of them, I'd say all of them, they like to give us advice. Not just advice about English, about how to improve our English skills, but advice for life. And for us, international students, this is very important. So for that reason, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for all of you who help us to reach our goal, which is learn English. Thank you so much.
I'd like to thank all the approach teachers, especially those who are or were my teachers in the past. I really appreciate your dedication, your support, your time, your patience. I know it's very hard to be a teacher, and I learned that the hard way. Because of the coronavirus, my son is at home now, and I need to teach him, so it's very hard. Keep doing this amazing job. You guys are awesome, and I miss you all.
I know we are living a difficult situation now, but that's why I'm here to say thank you, teachers, for your adaptability and support at all times.
Today, I am thankful for my teachers because they changed my phone to see the English language. Happy Teachers Day!
So I would like to say thank you to all my approach teachers, especially to Linda, one of the sweetest teachers I've ever had, and to Matt. He's the one who's always there to help me with my questions. So thank you so much, teachers. You have helped me a lot. You really are part of my journey, and you've contributed to my future.
This week is the Teachers Appreciation Week here in the United States, and I would like to say thank you to all my teachers, especially my teachers at Approach, because you guys are the reason why I'm able to record this video. You taught me how to express myself in English. You never gave up on me, and you always pushed me to do my best. And I hope you know that I'm very, very grateful for that.
Hello everyone, I'm here to say thank you to all of our amazing teachers at Approach who have been doing such an incredible job with online learning, and also go above and beyond to not only teach English but also support our international students to adjusting to the American culture. You guys rock!
Learning English at Approach gave me the confidence to communicate, to work, to keep dreaming big. Learning English is the very first step that initiates this whole new path of unlimited possibilities. And you teachers make that huge challenge seem possible for us. I'm here to say that you make a big impact on the ESL students' journeys. Thank you so much for all your guidance and support.
I'm here to thank you all for the dedication to our students and for sharing all your knowledge with them. We wouldn't be where we are if it was not because of you. Thank you so much.
Hello Approach, just wanted to say thank you to all the teachers during Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you for all your lesson planning, the creativity you're bringing to classes, and I'm really impressed with how you've adapted to this new online situation. So thank you. No, it's not time for breakout rooms yet.
Hello Approach! Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. I'm here to thank all teachers at Approach. Thank you so much for enriching our students' English learning experiences at Approach. 감사합니다. Thank you very much.
Just want to say a big thank you for being the awesome you are. We are so proud of you. We are so happy to have you part of our Approach family. When this quarter we all had to jump in and get moving from these on-campus classes to online, you all jumped in right with us, were there right through all of this. Thank you so much for being an awesome you. We are so proud to have you in our team.
So I'm just here to say thank you. Thank you first of all for being a teacher, for choosing this career, but also for choosing Approach to teach.
I feel very, very blessed for being part of a team with so many amazing professionals, but most importantly, so many amazing human beings. You guys rock. You guys deserve appreciation every single day of the year. Thank you, and thank you.
Hi everyone, happy Teacher Appreciation Week! Yes, just wanted to say, we treasure each and every one of you, very much so. I'm so proud of the work you guys are doing, and so grateful, and thankful to have you all. And I just wanted you really to know that, we're distant, we're not having many opportunities to talk, but I'm always remembering each one of you, and hopefully we'll be able to get together and see each other soon. In the meantime, I just wanted you to know that you are very important to us, and the way you're doing your job and the job you do, it's like amazing. So happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. You're awesome. Thank you.
Thanks so much for everything. You guys are the best. We couldn't do it without you.